Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Knox, local and long distance movers near me. Long distance relocation is among the most challenging relocation service 3 Movers does, typically owing to the enormous amount of money and time involved. The procedure becomes more straightforward though, since we are working with the best hands in the business. Our movers are trained in the best standards, and their talents result from that training. We've also set ourselves apart from the competition by establishing relationships with authorities at the municipal, state, and federal levels. Because we don't want our long distance moving cars to break down on the road, we keep them in shape. Using the trucks, we'll be able to transport your possessions safely and securely to your new workplace or residence. We will also be able to fulfill our customers' deadlines due to this. The shorter distance involved makes local relocation seem less complicated than they are. However, please examine every possible logistical concern. If you're relocating to a new place within 50 miles, you'll need to take extra care in packing and loading your belongings into moving vans. Allowing 3 movers to handle the project relieves you of that burden. With us, you'll be situated in your new home within a few hours of our arrival. Let us handle all the moving headaches while you relax. In addition, our hourly rate ranges from $30 to $40. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Knox moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.